Hey there, this is Sprout Up i6111, and in this video, we will talk about what's happening in seed germination. For garden beginners, ensuring the germination of your seeds is a major concern. Seed germination is the starting process for every crop that will eventually lead to a success of a whole new garden. Imagine different varieties of seeds and produce being gathered in your own garden. Isn't that really amazing? Definitely, germination is a complex process, but this video aims to help you. Every seed is composed of three parts: the seed coat, the endosperm, and the embryo. Just to have a quick overview, the seed coat protects the seed. The endosperm is where the food reserves are in, and the embryo becomes the young plant. Germination is a series of steps that starts with the imbibition of water. When the water goes inside the seed, enzymes are activated. Food reserves are digested and translocated to different parts that will further cause the initiation of embryo growth. The seed coat will then be ruptured, and the seedlings will emerge and grow further. So that's it. The seed germination process explained in less than 3 minutes. If you want more contents like this, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Thanks for watching and continue to sprout up!